Today we are going to learn Google Chrome tips. And any material, if you would like to have, you can easily have it for free, right? Only thing is that you need to know how to type and get the material. For example, let's say I wanted to have a material on digital marketing, right? You can put the word digital marketing there and then colon, and then you can type, simply you can type drive dot google.com, right? If you hit enter, the first result is coming up with digital marketing. You can click here and you can see lots of materials are available on digital marketing, right? Just have a click on this. So you can see here all the material associated with the digital marketing over here. You will be able to download and access it and all that, right? So similarly, let's go to one more sample. Let's say I want to learn about PPT, right? MS PPT, and you can just click here and then you have a material about MS PPT, right? And automatically it will come down. Similarly, you can, let's try MS Excel example. So again, in Excel related, all the material relating to Excel is coming up here, right? So easily you can get the material through these simple tips by having your title followed by semicolon and drive.google.com. Thank you.